Hello students, welcome to the channel. In this target 750 plus video, we'll do miscellaneous practice, which is to say practice on problems picked up from different topics that you're likely to see on the SAT and ECT math sections. This is the fourth such set that we are doing. Question 1. Donna has a laser at C. She points the laser beam at the point E. The beam reflects off of DF at E and then off of FH at G as shown. So this is the direction of the beam. Arriving at point B on AD, if DE is equal to EF is equal to 1 meter, so this is 1, what is the length of BD? This length. So we see that this is 45, so this angle will also be 45 degrees, right? So if this is 1, then this is 1. Similarly, if this is 1, then this is 1. This distance CE and the distance EG will be root 2 by Pythagoras theorem. So if I drop a perpendicular from here, then I can say, let's say this is M, then I can say MGEC is a square, right? It's a square of side root 2 because CE is root 2, EG is root 2, and so GM and MC will also be root 2. So this is GM and this is MC. Okay, so if this is 45 and this is 90, then this also is 45 and this also is 45. So if this is root 2, then this also is root 2. And so by Pythagoras theorem, BC becomes 2, right? And so the length of BD is 2 plus 1, which is 3, option C. Question 2. In the diagram, square OABC has side length 6. The line with equation y equal to 2x intersects CB at D. Determine the area of the shaded region. So this line has the equation y is 2x and the side length of the square is 6. So point C would be 0, 6 and point D, let us call it x, 6, right? Because the y coordinate of D will also be 6. Now we can find the x coordinate from this equation. Since D lies on y equal to 2x, 2x is 6, so x is 3. So the point D will be 3, 6. Now the shaded region would be a trapezium where this and this are the parallel sides and this is the height. So the area of the trapezium is half sum of parallel sides times the height. Now this is from 3 to 6, so this is 3 plus 6, 9. So half into 9 times height, which is 6. So that's 27, right? So the area of the shaded region is 27 square units. Question 3, the equations y is equal to a times x minus 2 times x plus 4 and y is equal to 2 times x minus h whole squared plus k represent the same parabola. What is its vertex? So this is the x-intercept form of the parabola and this is the vertex form of the parabola, right? Where the vertex is given by h, k. So the leading coefficient will be the same because it's the same parabola. So a is equal to 2. So in the x-intercept form, I can say 2 times x minus 2 times x plus 4, right? Which can be written as 2 times x squared plus 2x minus 8. Now, I can convert this to the vertex form by completing the squares. So I can say 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 minus 8. And I did this plus 1 and minus 1 because This x squared plus 2x plus 1 will become x plus 1 the whole squared. And minus 1 minus 8, which is minus 9. Minus 9 into 2 minus 18 would be outside. And this is the vertex form where h is -1 and k is -18. So the vertex of the parabola is -1, -18, option A. Question 4. A worker is paid X dollars an hour for the first 8 hours he works in a day. For every hour after the first 8 hours, he's paid Y dollars an hour. If he works 16 hours in a day, what is his average hourly wage for that day? Okay, so total earnings for the first 8 hours would be 8x because he's paid X dollars per hour for the first 8 hours. So that would be 8x. Total earnings for the next 8 hours would be 8y because for every hour after the first 8 hours, he's paid Y dollars an hour. So for the total 16 hours, his earnings would be 8x plus 8y. So his average earnings per hour would be 8x plus 8y divided by 16 because he worked for 16 hours. So that's 8 times x plus y divided by 16. So that's x plus y divided by 2. So his average hourly wage for the day is x plus y divided by 2, option D. So that was a quick drill on miscellaneous questions. Hope this helped. If it did, hit like and subscribe to the channel. Check out other videos in the Target 750 Plus series for more advanced practice. I'll see you guys in a new video soon. Take care. Bye-bye.